Good morning, guys and girls. Today we're going to go over butterflies, the life cycle of butterflies. We're going to be watching a video on Brain Pop about butterflies, the life cycle of butterflies. Pay attention, guys.
How do butterflies grow and change? A life cycle describes how living things grow and change. Adult female butterflies lay their eggs on leaves and other places. Different butterflies lay their eggs on different plants. Many butterflies lay eggs on plants that will be food for their young. When an egg hatches, a larva crawls out. Right, Moby? The larva is called a caterpillar. Caterpillars can be colorful and have different patterns. Some caterpillars are even hairy. The caterpillar eats and eats to grow. It even sheds its skin as it gets bigger. Some caterpillars are really tiny, but others are really big. Then the caterpillar changes into a pupa, which is also called a chrysalis. Not all caterpillars spin cocoons. Some moth caterpillars spin a cocoon around them and turn into a pupa inside. But butterfly caterpillars do not make cocoons. The pupa goes through metamorphosis. It can take a few days or even a few weeks. During metamorphosis, the pupa grows wings and goes through other big changes to become an adult. Adult butterflies and moths look a lot different from caterpillars. Some butterflies migrate and travel for many miles so they can lay their eggs in warmer or drier places. There are many different kinds of butterflies around the world.
Okay, guys, I'm going to pause the film,
in our community.
And we're going to turn to our bulletin board, which we did the life cycle and did the artwork for life cycle of the butterfly. We use technology and we also use artwork. It states in Sue Brittany Cap, Effective Practices in Early Childhood Education, Building a Foundation, that young children today are surrounded by technology. Many tools of daily life, such as cell phones, computers, websites, social networking, video games, and digital cameras are technological. In discussing how to teach, it is important to consider how to use technology most effectively. Research shows that the use of computers with young children demonstrates that we can be highly effective in promoting children's learning. The NRC 2009, Cerama and Clements 2002 states that computers are also encourage social interaction among young children. Unlike adults who tend to work at computers in isolation, preschool and primary grade children willingly seek other children's involvement in the software. Software is engaging and interactive. Placing two of seats in front of the computer encourages this type of interaction, as does locating computers in the classroom as a learning center rather than a separate computer lab. Also, it is good to show artwork.